Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Olympian and Jamaican-born Shawn Rhoden is now dead at 46. So breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, is shocking to the Olympics and the sports world. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of the Approved TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, and we are going to have a great relationship, a shocking discovery, ladies and gentlemen, as the sports world mourns Mr. Olympian. Former Mr. Olympian Shawn Rhoden has died of a heart attack at 46 years old, according to reports. Rhoden, known among bodybuilding as builders as Flexatron, passed away after winning Mr. Olympia in 2018, and at 43, the oldest to win Mr. Olympian. Ladies and gentlemen, the strongman event is an event that displays your flexing ability, your muscular contour, and your dynamics. Rhoden trainer Chris Aceto confirmed the bodybuilder star passing over the weekend to close friends and posted a tribute on Instagram early Monday. The best part of being in Shawn Rhoden's inner circle is bear witness to his desire, ability, and need to validate others. Aceto wrote to his 238,000 followers, he uplifted everyone. For these and many other reasons, I will miss an athlete who naturally became a genuine and dear friend. Rhoden have previously suffered a heart attack and had other health concerns. Generation Iron reported that news. Rhoden, a Jamaican native, defied the odds and defeated Phillips Health in the 2018 Mr. Olympic Diathlon and champion, who had won 7 consecutive prior titles. He was later accused of sexual assault in 2019. Yes, of a female bodybuilder in a hotel room in Utah. Now, Rhoden was banned from further Olympian competition after he was charged in July of 2019. The expulsion was to reconsider following the outcome of the case. It is unclear how the rape case was adjudicated, but Rhoden had pleaded not guilty. Ladies and gentlemen, our condolences to the Olympians' family, as Rhoden had not competed personally since winning the 2018 Olympia, according to the Muscle Fitness magazine, which reported Rhoden had a heart attack on Friday. Rhoden is the fourth Mr. Olympian to have died amongst 16. Then that not sound good, people. Sound like them a juice up on something and it a mash up them hard. I boy them a eat them diet no good. Okay, and this report dates back to 1965. Rotted. You hear that? 4 out of 16, so 25% of them died. And that's Muscle Fitness reports. Rhoden is survived by a young daughter, Cora Capri. He posted a photo of the pair on Instagram just days before Halloween, showing the girl in a Batgirl costume as he donned a mask. When the squad shows up for work, Rhoden wrote, not saying we are a superhero, but we might be villains to some people. You are guaranteed. In his last public post, just 5 days ago, listen to this, people, because this was eerie, if not scary, when I read this. In his last public post, Just 5 days ago, Rhoden showed off his chiseled 250-pound physique. Brick by brick, and patience it will take. Rhoden wrote to his nearly 2 million followers, "See you on the other side." Me don't know what that mean. You are going to hear what it says? Brick by brick. So I don't know if I like building, coffin or whatever. And patience it will take. Rhoden wrote on his nearly 2 million follower page, "See you on the other side." So I don't know if he knew he was gonna die or something. So Rich Gasperi, a retired bodybuilder who placed second multiple times at Mr. Olympia, said he was shocked Saturday to hear of Rhoden's unexpected death, just like I'm shocked, ladies and gentlemen. He said, "It's very sad to hear of his passing." Gasper wrote on his Instagram, "He had always been a gentleman towards me. Shawn had one of the most aesthetic physique in bodybuilding. My condolences to his family." And I ditto that, ladies and gentlemen. My condolences to the Rhoden family, to the bodybuilding family, fitness family, the sports family. You know, gone too soon. Young youth. Me can't say young again. 46 years old. Just starting to live. Not even, reach middle age yet, people. It's just unbelievable. I've achieved so much in life. But I'm thinking, ladies and gentlemen, when you push your heart in these bodybuilding things and you take certain supplements, not insinuating that he was on anything, but I'm sure those physiques don't occur just by lifting weight. When I say, are the juice what them a pump up? Because from further discovery, I'm finding out that one of the arteries that runs to the left side of his heart was clogged, and he was recently hospitalized for it. So I'm wondering if that what led to the heart attack, but what led to that artery being clogged. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier, giving my condolences, not insinuating anything upon the bodybuilder, but me notice that most of them man that were juice up end up loss up. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more natural living. Me I deal with my condolences to the family and friends. You are going to of Shawn Rhoden, Jamaican native, Olympian winner. He has passed at 46, ladies and gentlemen, at tender young age. I'm more life. Give me a subscribe, people. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about these bodybuilders that are juicing up, that are passing out. As you hear, they said, the fitness magazine report that, 4 out of 16 have died since 1965 or so. I can't believe that 25% of them are dead. That don't make no sense, Dad. Don't make no sense.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jack Obi said that.